Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tokyo Talk. I'm Mai, and today we're exploring a beloved Japanese dish, okonomiyaki.
And I'm Jack. Okonomiyaki literally means grilled as you like it. Right, Mai? It's such a versatile dish.
Exactly. When Jack says versatile, he means adaptable or flexible. You can customize it with different ingredients based on your preferences.
It's like a culinary canvas where you paint with ingredients. Have you tried making it yourself, Mai?
I love that metaphor. Yes, I make it often, especially when I want comfort food after a long day of practicing saxophone.
Speaking of comfort food, that's food that provides emotional satisfaction and nostalgia. What makes okonomiyaki so comforting to you?
It's the process itself. Mixing the batter, adding ingredients. It's like improvising in jazz. You start with a basic structure, then create something unique.
That's a beautiful parallel. Now let's talk about regional variations. How does Osaka style differ from Hiroshima style?
Great question. In Osaka style, all ingredients are mixed into the batter. Hiroshima style layers ingredients separately, almost like constructing a building.
When Mai says constructing, she means building something systematically. It's fascinating how food preparation can embody different philosophies.
Exactly. Embody means to represent or express something in a tangible form. Okonomiyaki embodies Japanese adaptability and creativity in cooking.
It's also incredibly social, isn't it? People gather around the griddle, cooking together. Do you think this reflects Japanese social culture?
Absolutely. It represents communal dining and shared experiences. Speaking of social situations, have you ever tried impressing someone with your okonomiyaki skills, Jack?
Actually, yes. I tried making it for a date once, but I completely botched the flip. It was a culinary disaster.
Oh no. When Jack says he botched it, that means he ruined it completely. At least you tried. I'm still searching for someone to cook okonomiyaki with myself.
Well, maybe your perfect match is someone who appreciates both jazz improvisation and okonomiyaki creativity. What would you look for in an okonomiyaki partner?
Someone who understands that cooking together is about collaboration, not competition. Like in music, you need harmony between different elements.
That's beautifully put. Now let's distinguish okonomiyaki from similar dishes. How would you differentiate it from takoyaki or monjayaki?
Good question. Takoyaki uses a much thicker batter and is spherical, while monjayaki has a very runny consistency. Okonomiyaki is more substantial and pancake-like.
When Mai says substantial, she means having more body or being more filling. It's like comparing a thin crepe to a hearty American pancake.
Perfect analogy. Now let's review some key expressions. Jack, can you give us versatile again?
Versatile, able to adapt or be adapted to many different functions or activities.
Excellent. Versatile means flexible and adaptable. Next, embody, to represent something in physical form or to be a perfect example of something.
And substantial means having considerable importance, size, or worth. Okonomiyaki is substantial, both physically and culturally.
Perfect summary. Remember, everyone, okonomiyaki isn't just food. It's a cultural experience that brings people together. Try making it and see what you discover.
Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.